Unraveling the Phrase, Coughing Up, an English Idiom Explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, coughing up. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to polish your idiomatic skills, this video is for you. Let's explore how this phrase can be used in different contexts. When we look at the words, coughing up, literally, it refers to the physical act of expelling something from the throat or lungs with a cough. It's often used when talking about health and medicine. Moving beyond the literal, coughing up is commonly used in a figurative sense. In everyday language, it means to give something reluctantly, often money. For example, he finally coughed up the money he owed me. Let's see it in action. Here are a few sentences. After much persuasion, the company coughed up funds for the project. I had to cough up a hefty fee for the late library book. This phrase isn't just for casual conversation. It's used in business, legal, and social contexts too. For instance, a company might cough up compensation after a lawsuit, or a friend might cough up details about a surprise party after you ask them repeatedly. And that wraps up our exploration of coughing up. Now, when you hear someone use this phrase, you'll know they're not always talking about a cold. We hope this video clears up any confusion and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.